Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to get a letter of good standing on Payoneer. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Payoneer homepage and log in, then scroll down and choose reports and payments report and statements, then scroll down, choose the fifth option, letter of good standing. So click on it and it should bring you to a page similar to this, and then you can choose your currency, then choose the date you want, then click on download. Then once you've downloaded it, you can, okay, you know what, let me just do that. The date, let me choose April 4th. Yeah, let me just choose April. I'm not sure I need to. Okay, let me just choose a random date, 18th. Click on download and it should bring me to a page like this where it will download the file for me and I get to see or preview it immediately. So it's here already. Let me see. So let's see if I have a good standing. Okay, say blah blah blah. The letter of education account, okay. 55 progressive really Payoneer account. Okay, as that's okay, good. As at April 18, 2025, the amount was I had on my account was $109. So if you need this, okay, so this is how to get a letter of good standing. So the most important thing is the date and the name and probably the account balance. So this is how to get a good letter of a good standing letter. What you guys get what I'm trying to say? Okay guys, if this video has been helpful to you in any way else, please consider leaving a comment below and subscribe for more details, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much.